Shijiazhuang Saddle Machinery Manufacture Company Limited, formerly Shijiazhuang Sire Machinery Factory, located in Shijiazhuang City, Hebei Province, China. We have more than 20 years' experience in the field of machinery and equipment. We have our own factory and export department. We are engaged in supplying machines for metal products and industrial automatic equipment, and a high-tech enterprise of Hebei Province. A high-tech enterprise specializing in the design, development, manufacturing, installation and commissioning of wire drawing and related industrial equipment. Our powerful professional researching team has imported, digested and absorbed the advanced technology of equipment over the world. Our company mainly specialized in developing and manufacturing the whole set of welding wire production line, galvanized production line, welding electrode production line, metal wire drawing machine for making nail, barbed wire, ribbed wire, wire mesh, etc., including straight line wire drawing machine, water tank wire drawing machine, pulley wire drawing machine, spooler take-up machine, payoff machine, layer winding machine and so on. Most the machines are automatic, high-speed and effective. And we accept customized machines. The professional technical team can design the production line plan, plant layout, cable layout, and production cost and profit control according to customer needs, provide workers production training, and promise long-term and timely after-sales service. For the overseas market, we exported our machines to America, Mexico, Brazil, Sudan, South Africa, Korea, India, Iran, Russia, Sri Lanka, Oman, Romania, Algeria, Uzbekistan, Morocco and other countries all around the world. And because of the excellent quality and good after-sales service, we have won unanimous praise from customers. We are very grateful to customers for continuous repurchase and customer recommendations. We will continue to improve and upgrade to win a larger market. We sincerely invite all manufacturers to visit, inspect and guide our company.